had something in my stomach, but I didn't know that was gonna come out. I apologize. Good morning. That was needed. Oh, TD. Pink palm puff. Lulu. For different one. Sorry.
Wait, guys, I feel it. How to hold it in? I can't. How does it say it? Go. I forgot I'm not supposed to burp. How do you know I was gonna fail this? I fail it every time.
It's far down.
Oh my gosh, ow, my arm. I think it's like shooting up into my... Ready?
I already have to burp. Done. This is not it.
I ain't even halfway done yet.
I think I'm gonna numb.
Ain't nothing coming out yet.
Here's the sparkling water. Could it? Oh no. It's not.
Ay, saga.
If this is lukewarm Sprite, it's really doing me good.
Wait, that's like 5, right? 2.
It hurts my tummy.
Wait, Dylan, are you making counting?
Oh, my tummy.
Friend.
Oh, I'm gonna throw up. My tummy also hurts really bad.
That was fun. Can we go get another bowl? Get bananas now. Wait.
Yours are really mean.
Yeah.
You're saying that you're gonna be set.
You're like trophy.
Yeah, they're disgusting. So that's like